thanks for joining my channel. My name is Coco and this is Whisked Away. Today we are celebrating 1,000 plus subscribers. So this is a huge milestone for me and I really appreciate everyone for being here, for subscribing, for liking my videos, watching, and sending me love in the comments. I really appreciate all of you, and because of that we are going to celebrate with a special recipe. But if you're new here and you haven't seen my other videos, please go check them out. If you like them, hit that notification bell for more, and don't forget to subscribe and send me some love in the comments. Anyway, today we are making homemade chocolate cake. Not just any chocolate cake, a super easy, healthier version of chocolate cake that is low carb, high protein, but wait, trust the process. It is so good. It tastes just like the real thing and is, again, super easy to make, and you're gonna love it. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Now with this recipe, you can use a couple of different things. You can use cottage cheese, which cottage cheese is a little higher in calories than, like, let's say yogurt, but it's higher protein, so you have to weigh out what you want. So if you're okay with the higher protein, higher calories, then go with the cottage cheese. If you want lower calories, lower protein, go with the yogurt. You can use regular Greek yogurt. It will have a little tang, or you can use vanilla, sugar-free, Oikos, 000 yogurt. Has a good amount of protein in here, but we're gonna make two versions. So I'm gonna start with the cottage cheese. So this is, you can use full fat, like 4% fat, or low fat, 2%, or non-fat if you want. You don't need any oils for this recipe, but you do need 1 cup of cottage cheese. Let me get my cup. Okay, I guess that's in the dishwasher, so I will improvise. So we're going to be using 1 cup or 2 half a cups of cottage cheese. And then we're going to blend that. Now you can blend this in a blender. I like to use my hand mixer because I just feel like it saves time. We're adding in 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Ish. You can use cacao, you can use regular cocoa, just no sugar. And about a teaspoon of vanilla. 3 tablespoons of monk fruit. You can use less if you don't want it that sweet. And if you find that this is not sweet enough, or you want to take away from the cottage cheese flavor a little bit more, you can add a little bit of honey. And then 1 egg. Give that a good mix. Adding in 1/3 a cup of regular flour. You can use oat flour, you can use almond flour. I don't like the taste of almond flour all that much. So if you are truly keto, low carb, this might not be your recipe, but if you are higher protein and don't care about some carbs, then this is a great recipe for you. So I'm gonna add that in there. You don't want this too thin. You want it nice and thick, like a nice cake batter. Like that. And now we're ready to bake. would you look at that? Chocolate cake you can eat and feel good about eating. That is so good. Let the meat cake. It is so delicious. So definitely make this. Also, and I love this, you can turn your cake mix into donuts. This is a cake or donut that you can feel good about having. These donuts with the regular cottage cheese and the regular flour with the monk fruit, you're looking at maybe about 70 calories per donut. So 2 donuts, 140 calories, about 14 carbs for 2 donuts, and 11 grams of protein. So about 5.5, 6 grams of protein per donut. So definitely worth a little morning snack. So easy. I love recipes where you can have something, feel like you're still having a treat and not missing out, getting kind of helping your body meet the protein goals, nutrition goals, and again, not having to feel guilty or even sluggish and gross during the day because of sugar. So I hope you liked this recipe. Check out my other videos. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy baking. Bye for now.